It's a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, leather steering wheel, agility control automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com calls Mercedes C-Class Coupe a solid contender with strong and smooth engines, terrific handling, and superb fit and finish. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.